Hi, my name is Roger Foster. I'm the owner of Tires on the Run here in Airdrie. Just wanted to share something with you folks. There's a lot of people buying used tires right now, and we're having a problem because 2/3 of the time when people are buying used tires, if they don't understand tires or know tires or they're not a mechanic, they're buying tires that we can't even install. They've got rip beads, they're 12 or 14 or 18 years old, and they're told they're 2 years old. We've seen all the problems, and I don't like it. I don't like it when people get ripped off or taken advantage of, especially when people are buying used tires because they're short on money. So what we'd like to offer you is we are more than willing to give you a free 5 or 10 minute education here at our shop. No appointment needed, just show up. We will do our best to get you in and out of here quickly, and we'll show you what to look for, what is good on a used tire, what is what you have to avoid on used tires. And we just hate seeing people that pay $300 for a set of tires, and then I tell them the only place suitable for them is the disposal bin. So come on by our shop. We're at 143 East Lake Blvd here in Airdrie. Our hours of operation from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. including Saturdays. So we try and make it convenient for you. Come on by, we'll give you an education. We'll even give you a free tread depth tool so you can make sure that what you're being told is true. And hopefully this helps save a few people from buying some bad tires for no reason. Come on down. Thanks so much.